Hello and welcome to another tutorial of VertexFX. Today we will explore the Market Watch in VertexFX Mobile Trader. Here in the Market Watch, you can view two modes, simple and advanced. In simple mode, you will view the currency's bid and ask price. Through the dots on the right, you can open more options like trade, chart, create alert, unwatch, hide, and details. You can elevate the simple mode to the simple pro mode just by clicking on the arrows here. In this mode, you can access one-click trading by simply clicking on buy or sell. On the other hand, you can view spreads, highs, lows, and more in the advanced mode. You can easily execute one-click trading and view the charts by clicking on the chart here. Similarly, to simple and simple pro mode you can access other options by clicking on the dots. To edit your market watch and add currencies, simply click on the plus sign on the right side. This will open the full symbol list, crosses, and cryptocurrencies. Select your preferred symbols to view on the Market Watch. We will select these four and save to view them on the Market Watch. You can also easily create a favorites list by clicking on the star at the left of each symbol. Now, you can see your favorites and use the Market Watch efficiently. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications.